Hi guys, with you again, Ralia. Today we're going to study about infinitive and gerund. Actually, they sound so scary that you might think that this is so difficult. What is infinitive? What is gerund? The name is so horrible. However, these are really easy and understandable things in the grammar of English. First of all, you should know that infinitive is the word. Actually, this is verb. After this verb, you have to have to. Only after to, you need to put second verb. So, here we discuss the problem of putting together two verbs, one after other. You see? So, you might think about putting to or ing. For example, we have such words as I like playing the piano. Yes? We know it because we remember it, yes? But there are another verbs, yes, which are used only with ing. And there are some verbs which are used only with infinitive, like I want to be. How could you know that this is I want to be? Why not being, yes? Because want is in the table of infinitive structures, okay? So, in this case, first, I studied very hard to pass my exam, yes? I'm going to show you a table where are infinitive verbs. There is only one way to remember to differ them. This is remembering, okay? Why? Because there isn't specific rule where to use these verbs and where to use these verbs. Only way to remember them is to remember. Yes, remember. Sorry, yeah. Okay, so look. Agree, manage, appear, need, arrange, neglect, ask, offer, begin, care, pretend, cease, and others are used with infinitive. It means that after all of these verbs, you need to put to. Only after to, you need to put second verb, any type of verb, and the base form. Let's give examples. For example, I promise to help you when you will start to build your house because I can afford it myself, or you can say I am able to afford it. I wish to become, not becoming. I wish to become the most impressive coach in the sphere of education. So the next example, I hope to see you again in the next meeting of entrepreneurs where we will discuss how to create a new platform for business. How you can see, here I've used I hope to see, not seeing, because this is infinitive, I remind you. So our company will tend to provide excellent services. See, tend to provide excellent services. So the next is about gerund. So gerund, this is only ing, which is put after first verb, then verb again, and ing for the second verb. So, for example, here are the words like admit, advise, allow, anticipate, appreciate, avoid, begin, and blah blah blah. That's how you can see in the table. So you have to rewrite them to your copybook. So, first example. Google should avoid making advertisements of unexpected content. See, I told should avoid first verb from the table of gerund. Making, not to make. Okay. The next, Coca-Cola should keep making interesting advertisements. Okay. Coca-Cola should keep making, not to make. The next, our company requires being flexible in any situation. Requires being. Yes, guys, we can put be and ing together. Yes, this is possible. Because here is require, which is in the table of gerunds. However, wait. One more example. My teacher encourages writing essays for different themes because I am preparing for the competition. My teacher encourages writing, not to write. Yeah, that's it. So, by the way, I'd like to say that there are some words which are used in both cases as a kind of infinitive and as a kind of gerund. So, attempt, you can say, I begin to run in the morning, I begin running in the morning. Yes, for example, begin, can't bear, yes, can stand, cease, continue, forget, go on, hate, like, love. Yes, for example, you can say, I love cooking. You can also say, I love to cook. Yes, they are similar. Neglect, prefer, regret, propose, remember, cease, start, stop, and try. So these words are used in both cases. If you will use them with ing, this is not a mistake. If you will use them let's say infinitive form, this is not also a mistake. So you can use them in both cases. Thank you for attention. Goodbye.